Hi all, Vanakkam. I am Karthik from Tata Tele Business Service. I am part of Tata Business Service team and enterprise segment. As you all know, that we are specialized in providing enterprise class voice and data solution, and we have a complete range of products which we can customize as per the customer requirement. And we have a product like internet bandwidth, lease line, MPLS, PRI, and voice solutions. And we have toll-free smart office, IoT, and security product. And also we have recently we have launched product from work from home solution like for voice as well as data. This voice we have hosted voice solution for any kind of verticals in today market trend, which will be which will make you the cost effective solution, and it will create you the high productivity in your business part. And apart from this, what way my business gives, what way I am getting motivated to serve customers is like it is great things of each and every employees in our organization to serve better with customers, and it is easy to adopt also. So it will encourage both employees as well as the organization growth, and it will create you through rewards also. So maybe it will create a good rapport with customer and will have a good hold with the customer and fulfill their business requirement. Each and every customer will be different from their business aspect as well as need. So customer service team is to increase their employee morale. So customer service team is very important here to maintain the good rapport with the customer and fulfilling their requirement. And also each and every organization to the benefit with to make the employees happy way. That's the way these are all will get increased. So when the employees are happy, maybe that reflection will show in their business. And when it goes in the crucial links, no crucial links or crucial delivery timelines, or in the what to say, uh, like there is any pandemic in the current scenario, that there is a pandemic situation, there are a lot of IT supports are required, people are sitting at home. There we have to support the customer in such a way to maintain the good rapport with the customer, which will make us happy as well as the customer. And the solution whatever we are giving meet their requirement. And there is an instance. So we recently I have taken one order in April. This deal is closed in a week time, and I have delivered that link in 3 days time. As everyone knows, Tata will not allow to do any policy violation or skipping the process. But even though our team members are helped for logging the order and delivering the service in the right time, this has happened for COVID helpline. Now around 5 lakh employees of Tata Group are using the helpline, which is done by Digital. So I'm very proud to say that, and also the delivery time and the solution we made it for them in very short span of time it's completed. So the recent days there are lockdowns in many of the states, and they are not able to move from one place to another place. So that situation, as a telecom provider, we can proudly say we are part of that action against the COVID things, and means company given freedom and allow us to do beyond the bound line to support their customer to do better things. So, and always I believe the words what I commit with customer to meet the need and fulfill the requirement with cost effective manner. So we have to be strong in our things. So we should not for convincing customer we should not work. We should really understand the problem with the understand the problem of customer. We have to provide the solution to the customer. And there is a word say like if you want to catch a fish, you have to think like a fish. So that's the same thing. If you want to catch a customer, you have to think like a customer. You have to fulfill their needs and deliver the service. And why I have chosen Tata Teleservice So it's Tata. The word says work, spending, and the quality, food, the service. So such a way. So I have chosen this brand. I want to work in the same way. Tata would be like it's an ocean, endless service experience. People, there are the latest technologies and practice are adopted here, and we are all created to provide solution to the any kind of scenario. Like we may be how to provide solution to the customer such a way like uh, their business needs.